Now we are going to create our what we do, or you can say our services section. So for that I will add another section with 3 columns, and I will choose the width of this column 25%. This one also, width of this column 25%. Okay, the third one will be automatically adjusted to the here about 50%. So what I will do, I will write here some our services section. So let me write something like a heading. So you can write any service what you provide to your customers, something like if you provide any of the services. I am here teaching you, so I will write what I can write. I can add anything like making, let me write making learning easier. Okay, after that I will go to the style section, and what I will do, I don't like this color, I will choose or this color red. After that typography, so like this opens, then weight is I think better. Okay, line height I will do 1.4. okay. Yeah, now what I will do, I will just provide an extra padding here. What? Put an image, so I will provide a padding like 140. It's not too old, dude. Remove that, unmerge this, and you can say unlink this, then provide 140. Okay, whenever I will add an image, it will be reflect on that. Okay, so let's do that. It should be more, I think, not like we can do at 320. Yeah, it's better. Now I will add an image. I have just click on the section. After that style, after that background classic, choose an image. I will choose this image. I have cropped this image because the image original image was too large. How can you do that? You can just go to photos. Okay, this is an online photo editing tool. After that edit photo, there are multiple options. I mean, you can create a design here, make a collage, something like that. I'm not going to that things. Yeah, here what you can do, there are multiple options, adjust, filter, changes, some count, fine tune, color, rotate. Multiple options are available there. I will going to just choose an image first of all. Okay, and this was the original image, and I have cropped that image to this, so I will choose an image. Now you can do many operations like adjustments, something like change the brightness like this. Okay, so saturation, if you want to increase the color saturation, you can do that. So many operations are available here. You can do many of the things. After that you will export it. Whenever you completed for that, just go to this page and upload that and insert that media. So another text, I will just I will just duplicate it. I don't want to do the same thing again, and I will delete the extra section here, and I will change the image. I will change style for this section. Just I will click that style and choose an image. So I will choose a different image now. I will choose another image like this. Open. Yeah, I will provide something like text, different text here. Web optimization. Okay. I think sections width has been changed because I have just duplicated a section. So I will go back to again, then layout. After that, the width should be 25. Here also, width should be 25. Okay. Let me update this. Go back to there, just refresh the website. Now you can look at the this website. So look, but the width I think again changed. Let me do that. It's better 25 because they adjust, yeah, their size with auto features. This is 25 25 and it will be 50. Let me refresh it. Now better. Okay. Change the text here. I don't think it's good color. Go back to there and the color should be, I think, better will be, white is better, but I have to provide some text shadow. So this heading will look more clear. Okay, something like this. Same as for here. I will go to the style. I will choose a color that will be white. After that, I will provide a text shadow. The color will be black, and I can also decrease the blurriness of the color. Okay, let's update it. Okay, now we have to again create a section. What we do, like we create something websites and we make some good project, something like that. What you want to write, you can write it here. So you have to write again. So I will not going to write again. I will just copy this section and I am going to paste it here. Okay, and I will delete this section empty. Again with changes, I this layout, this layout. Yeah. The text will be not about us. So here will be we provide multiple all business solution. Okay. Now the divider width I don't like. And click on the divider. Width should be good. Text little bit change. So okay, working. Okay, something. So I will just update this. But if I update this, so if I go to this text is totally attached with this. I mean, there's no gap. So what I will do, I will click on this section, go to the advanced, add margin near about 20. Okay. If you don't like margin because there's a white gap, so what we can do, we can remove it, and also we can provide some padding like putty. And link this. Top I want 70, bottom I want 70. Yeah, update it, refresh it, and it will look something like that.